kind of a heavy topic to think about, but what happens if our food system collapses? Especially if you're living in an apartment or in a city. Suddenly there's nothing at the grocery store anymore or the supermarket. How are people going to eat? If you have any land at all or are renting where there's lawn, I would dig it up and get some seeds and plant a victory garden. Maybe hide a few chickens somewhere. Look into quail or ducks, geese, guinea hens. If you're a vegetarian, look into growing some really high protein veggies, I guess, because I don't know if I see this ever going back to normal, and normal wasn't desirable to begin with, so. I mean, I forget if I'm quoting Carl Sagan or Bill Mollison or who, but anything else you want to do isn't going to happen if you can't breathe the air and drink the water and grow food. It's like, get your friends and bandmates together and form a community, because shit is never going back to normal. At least I don't want it to. I don't think it can, because the whole system is so brittle, and I've been waiting for it to collapse since the 90s, but I mean, think about what you would do with your life if you didn't have to go to some crappy paying job every day in order to pay a landlord part of your salary, a huge chunk of your salary. I mean, think about how much easier it would be for artists and musicians if they were actually supported by the community. Think about another world. Because if it's going to be possible in our lifetimes, I would say, right the fuck now. Of course, it's easy for me to sit here and say, yeah, go find people to pool money and buy land, but there's so many obstacles to that when you don't have any money and you're not working right now, or you're being forced to work right now for absolute shit wages that aren't worth risking your life for. Or you have a landlord breathing down your neck, student loans, car payments, all that bullshit.